Hello everybody, welcome to Tarmac to Single Track. Today I am out in the UTV and I'm going to show you something. The instrument panel can get all scratched up with everything flying in and out of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a product, Ice Racers tape. It's a clear tape covering that will go over the instrument panel, and it will keep it from getting more scratched up than it is already. So to do this, we're going to clean the front of the service well, the front of the instrument panel well, and we're going to lay down, in this case, one 2-inch strip. Now the 2-inch strip should cover from the top line here to the bottom line here. That's where all of our information is going to be displayed. So give me a second and we'll get going again. As you can see, the tape is on a paper backing. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll this out. We've cleaned the area real well. We're going to cut it to length. We're going to peel the paper back, and we're going to very gently and carefully press it on so we can get all the air bubbles out so it looks nice and straight. So hold on, and I'm going to go to the next phase. All right, what I've done is I've cut a strip that I want to put on. I am going to keep it above the adjust button and the set button on this side. I'm only going to run one stripe. This will cover the area where all the information is put on. So hold on. All right, here's initially it laid. I'm going to start at the bottom and we'll work my way up. I'm going to press out all the air bubbles and get it as straight and as clear as I can. And I'm going to move it slowly over to the other side, cleaning off as much or getting it as smooth as I can and making sure there are no air bubbles in it. All right. Seems like the harder I press, the better it's going to look. So this is the very first time I've used this, and people say, well, how did you figure this out? Well, where I worked for McDonnell Douglas and Boeing on the jet fighter, specifically the F-18, the leading edges are fairly thin, and the paint would get destroyed flying through a rainstorm or hail or icing conditions. So they came up with tape of this type that you put on the leading edge of the aircraft, and it absorbed all of that damage. Okay, I have a little left to trim back here with the scissors, so but first let's try and take a look at what it looks like. And if you look at the screen now, there's no difference in being able to see the information on the screen. So I'll have the product that I used available at the end of this video. Thank you for watching Tarmac to Single Track.